Subhanallah. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. This is an emergency appeal for Bangladesh that is suffering extremely heavy monsoon rains, which have caused rivers to burst their banks. Now, brothers and sisters, 2 million people in the northeast of the country have been totally cut off and are relying on our help to survive. Dozens of people have been sadly lost their lives. Sylhet and surrounding areas have been affected really, really badly. And tens of thousands of people and families could run out of food if we don't act right now in the next couple of days. The situation is incredibly urgent and we need to help right now, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, One Ummah charity is currently on the ground delivering emergency aid packs, dried food, bottled water, hygiene kits and medical aid packs to thousands of families right now. They're suffering. We need to support them. We need to help them. Please donate £100 today to our Bangladesh floods response appeal so we, in turn, can deliver this aid in time to the families being affected most. Relieve the distress of your fellow believers in this world. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promises He will relieve the distress, your distress, on the Day of Judgment. And lastly, share this urgent appeal so that we can save lives, save our brothers and sisters in their hour of need. So please, brothers and sisters, what can I say? Click the link and share the video urgently. Jazakumullah khair.
فكم من زلة